The 2026 3 Million Motorhome redefines what luxury means in the world of recreational vehicles. This isn't just a way to travel, it's a rolling palace engineered for those who accept nothing but the finest in life, designed to offer an uncompromising experience. This motorhome blurs the line between opulence and mobility. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to match or even exceed the comfort of a five-star hotel, with the freedom of the open road acting as the backdrop. At the heart of the motorhome is a powertrain that balances smooth performance with dependable power. The vehicle is equipped with a high-output turbocharged diesel engine that delivers seamless acceleration and incredible torque, making it capable of towing other vehicles while gliding through highways or rugged terrains with equal ease. The transmission is a multi-speed automatic tuned for precision and fuel efficiency. Ride quality is enhanced with active air suspension that adapts to different surfaces, ensuring unmatched comfort regardless of road conditions. On the outside, the 2026 motorhome looks like a futuristic yacht on wheels. Its aerodynamic body is sculpted with carbon fiber reinforced aluminum panels, reducing weight while increasing structural integrity. The massive panoramic windows are UV tinted and bullet resistant, providing views that feel limitless while maintaining safety and privacy. Retractable sunshades open at the push of a button, while the automatic leveling jacks deploy within seconds once parked, making setup effortless. LED lighting strips accentuate the vehicle's silhouette, adding a high-end visual flair, especially at night. The entrance door is motorized and opens to reveal a smart foyer with heated marble flooring. Stepping inside, you're instantly greeted by an ambiance that feels like a private jet. The interior is wrapped in the finest materials: Italian leather, handcrafted oak and walnut trims, polished brass fixtures and suede paneling. Every surface whispers elegance. The floor plan is fully customizable and the default layout includes a lounge, a full kitchen, a bathroom with a rain shower and a bedroom suite, all in a space optimized through intelligent design. The lounge area is spacious with an L-shaped leather sofa that transforms into a recliner at the touch of a control panel. A 75-inch 8K OLED television rises silently from the cabinetry, paired with a Dolby Atmos sound system for an immersive entertainment experience. Voice-activated controls manage lighting, blinds, temperature and entertainment. A real-time satellite internet connection keeps everything connected, even in remote areas. The kitchen is a culinary haven equipped with a full-size Sub-Zero refrigerator, Gaggenau induction cooktop, dual convection ovens and a wine chiller. Countertops are made of Italian Carrara marble, while soft close drawers and custom cabinetry provide abundant storage. There's even a built-in espresso machine and a dishwasher, ensuring the comforts of a gourmet kitchen on the move. The dining area features an extendable table made from reclaimed olive wood, surrounded by ergonomic leather chairs that match the decor seamlessly. Moving to the bathroom, it rivals what you'd find in a luxury hotel. Walls are clad in onyx and backlit for a relaxing glow. There's a rainfall shower with customizable temperature presets, a heated towel rack, smart mirror with embedded display and even a self-cleaning toilet with bidet function. Water filtration is handled by an advanced multi-stage system, ensuring pure clean water for all uses. The bedroom suite offers tranquility and retreat. The king-size bed features an adaptive memory foam mattress that adjusts to sleeping patterns. Climate control is zoned, allowing different temperatures for day and night. Blackout blinds lower automatically when the sleep mode is activated, and ambient noise machines integrated into the headboard offer customizable soundscapes. There's also a second entertainment system here, along with ample wardrobe space and a personal safe for valuables. Beyond physical comfort, technology in this motorhome is breathtaking. Facial recognition handles security access, while a central AI hub runs the operations, including diagnostics, maintenance alerts and route planning. With weather and traffic optimization, solar panels on the roof feed into a massive lithium-ion battery bank, allowing for extended off-grid living without sacrificing amenities. The energy system also integrates with an auxiliary generator and plug-in shore power when available. Safety is also paramount, and features include multiple radar-based collision avoidance systems, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control and thermal night vision cameras integrated into a 360-degree view display with multiple airbags and reinforced crash zones. This motorhome is built not just for beauty but also peace of mind. Storage compartments underneath are remotely accessible and include slide-out drawers and climate-controlled units for sensitive gear. There's also a hidden garage bay that can house a compact car or 2 electric bikes, which are also included with the package. Even the roof has a retractable deck with lounge seating, a fire pit and a pop-up cinema for stargazing evenings or luxury tailgating. What sets the 2026 motorhome apart is not just its features but the bespoke experience it offers. Every unit is made to order, allowing buyers to choose from hundreds of material options, configurations and even customized themes from modern minimalist to classic European luxury. Onboard staff quarters can also be fitted for those who prefer to travel with a chauffeur or assistant, adding another layer to the premium experience. The motorhome is also future-ready with modular technology that can be upgraded over time as new innovations emerge. Updates to software and interior amenities can be done remotely or during scheduled luxury service intervals from the manufacturer's concierge network, which operates globally, ensuring that owners are supported anywhere in the world. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip through mountain passes or parking beside a vineyard for the weekend, the 2026 3 Million Motorhome transforms travel into an indulgent and personalized lifestyle. It caters not just to the rich but to visionaries who value freedom, privacy and sophistication in one moving masterpiece for those lucky enough to call it theirs. This isn't a vehicle, it's a statement of living without compromise on the road.